Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, myself Kasle PB, Junior College Teacher, Department of Mathematics from Ret Shikshan Samstha's RBNB College, Srirampur. Students, in the last lecture we have seen some examples based on derivatives of parametric function. Now in this lecture we are going to study some examples based on again parametric function of type differentiation of one function with respect to the another function. Now we see examples one by one. First example here, differentiation one function with respect to another function means if u equal to f of x, if u equal to f of x is a function and v equal to g of x is another function. U equal to f of x and v equal to g of x are any two differentiable functions of x such that derivative of this equation du by dx is equal to derivative of f of x f dash of x and derivative of v is dv by dx equal to derivative of g of x is g dash of x. Okay. Now then the derivative of u with respect to v, derivative of function u with respect to v can be written as in the form du upon dv equal to du by dx upon dv by dx is equal to du by dx means f dash of x upon dv by dx means g dash of x. Now using this rule we can find the derivatives of one function with respect to another function. Now we see first example here. Differentiate x into sin x with respect to x into sin x with respect to tan x. Now answer for this example. Answer. Consider u equal to x into sin x, first function, and v is equal to this second function tan x. We have to differentiate x sin x with respect to tan x, that is differentiate u with respect to x and differentiate v with respect to x and then find the value of du by dv. Therefore differentiate these both equations with respect to x. Therefore derivative of u du by dx equal to derivative of x into sin x, that is d by dx of x into sin x. Now here use product rule, du by dx equal to, here product of two functions x into sin x, use product rule to the RHS, first function as it is into derivative of second function sin x plus sin x as it is into derivative of first function x. Okay, therefore du by dx is equal to x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x as it is derivative of x is 1, and here derivative of v dv by dx is equal to derivative of tan x is, that is dy dx of tan x. Therefore dv by dx is equal to derivative of tan x is sec square x. Okay, say this as equation number first, this as equation number second. Now we know that du by dv is equal to du upon dx upon dv upon dx. Say this as equation number 3. Now put values of du by dx and dv by dx from equation 1st and 2nd in equation 3rd. Therefore, from equations 1st and 2nd and 3rd, from equations 1st, 2nd and 3rd, we get du by dv is equal to value of du by dx, x cos x plus sin x, x into sin x plus x into cos x plus sin x upon value of dv by dx is x square x. That is, we get du by dv is equal to x into cos x plus sin x upon sec square x. This is the derivative of function x sin x with respect to tan x. Okay. Now we see second example here. Next example, differentiate tan inverse of x upon under root 1 minus x square, under root 1 minus x square with respect to sec inverse of 1 upon 2x square minus 1. 2x square minus 1. Okay, now we see answer for this example. Answer: consider u equal to tan inverse of x upon under root 1 minus x square and v is equal to sec inverse of 1 upon 2x square minus 1. Okay. Now we see first here u is equal to tan inverse of x upon under root 1 minus x square. Put x is equal to tan theta. Okay, this implies that theta is equal to, we want to here convert this angle into the form of tan. Therefore, put here x is equal to sin theta or sin t. X is equal to sin t or sin theta. Sin theta. This implies that theta is equal to sin inverse of x. Sin inverse of x. Now differentiate this equation with respect to theta. Therefore, derivative of x is, put value of x is equal to here sin theta, then we get u equal to tan inverse of sin theta upon under root 1 minus value of x is sin square theta. That is, u is equal to tan inverse of sin theta as it is. Now by first fundamental identity, 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta. Put here 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, that is, you can write u equal to tan inverse of in bracket sin theta upon, here square root and square cancel, we get sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. That is, u is equal to tan inverse of sin theta upon cos theta means tan theta, tan inverse of tan theta. Now use here formula, since tan inverse of tan x is equal to x. Using this formula we can write value of tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. Therefore u equal to theta. U is equal to theta. Now put value of theta from this equation. 1, theta is equal to sin inverse x. U equal to sin inverse of x, since from equation 1. Okay. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. Therefore derivative of u du by dx equal to derivative of sin inverse of x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So this is the equation number 2. Now consider second equation. V is equal to sec inverse of 1 upon 2x square minus 1. So consider the second equation. V is equal to sec inverse of 1 upon 2x square minus 1. Now here also put x is equal to cos theta. Put x equal to cos theta. This implies that theta is equal to cos inverse of x. Cos inverse of x. Put this value x is equal to cos theta here. Therefore we get v is equal to sec inverse of 1 upon 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now we know that 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to cos 2 theta. That is v is equal to sec inverse of 1 upon cos 2 theta. That is 1 upon cos 2 theta means sec 2 theta. V is equal to sec inverse of sec 2 theta. Now use this formula, since sec inverse of sec x equal to x. Therefore we can write here v is equal to 2 theta. Now put value of theta from this equation 3rd. We get here v is equal to 2 into cos inverse of x, since from equation 3rd. Okay. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. Therefore derivative of v dv by dx is equal to 2 as it is. Derivative of cos inverse of x is minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Okay. So this is the equation number 4. Now we know that du upon dv is equal to du by dx upon dv by dx. Say this as equation number 5. Now put values of du by dx and dv by dx from equation 2nd and 4th in equation 5th. Okay. Therefore we can write here from equations 2nd, 4th and 5th. From equations 2nd, 4th and 5th, we get du by dv, du upon dv is equal to value of du by dx 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. 1 upon under root 1 minus x square upon value of dv by dx from equation 4. We can write here dv by dx is equal to minus 2 upon under root 1 minus x square. Okay. Now taking reciprocal of denominator term, we can write here du by dv equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square into reciprocal of this term under root 1 minus x square upon minus 2. Now this 1 up under root 1 minus x square upon under root 1 minus x square cancel. Now remains only du by dv is equal to minus 1 by 2. That is derivative of function tan inverse of x upon under root 1 minus x square with respective to sec inverse of 1 upon 2x square minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. That is du by dv is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now we see next example. Our next example is differentiate x raised to x with respective to x raised to sin x. Now we see answer for this example. Answer: consider u equal to x raised to x and v equal to x raised to sin x. Now first we consider this equation. Consider u is equal to x raised to x. Now this is the exponential function. One function is power of another function. Now you can take log on both sides here. Taking log on both sides. Therefore log u equal to log of x raised to x. Now use logarithmic rule here. Rule is, since log of a raised to b is equal to b into log a. Using this rule we can write the value of log of x raised to x is equal to x into log x. Therefore we can write here log u is equal to x into log x. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore derivative of log u is 1 upon u into derivative of u with respect to x du by dx equal to, use here product rule, first function as it is into derivative of second function x into dy dx of log x plus log x into dy dx of x, first function. That is 1 upon u into du by dx equal to x as it is, derivative of log x with respect to x is 1 upon x plus log x as it is, derivative of x is 1. That is, we can write here du by dx is equal to, take 1 upon u other side, this becomes in product form u into x upon x1 plus log x. Now put here value of u is equal to x raised to x. That is du upon dx equal to x raised to x into in bracket 1 plus log x. Say this as equation number first. Now consider second equation, v equal to x raised to sin x. Consider v equal to x raised to sin x. Here also one function is the power of another function. Therefore, we use logarithmic differentiation, taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Therefore, log v is equal to log of x raised to sin x. Again use third rule of logarithm, that is, since log a raised to b is equal to b into log a, therefore we can write value of log of x raised to sin x by using formula sin x into log x, that is, log v is equal to sin x into log x. Now we can take derivative here, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log v with respect to x is 1 upon v into dv by dx equal to, here use product rule, first function as it is into derivative of second function plus second function as it is into derivative of first function sin x. That is, we write here 1 upon v into dv by dx is equal to sin x, derivative of log x 1 upon x plus log x into derivative of sin x is cos x. Further we can take this 1 upon v other side and put the value of v, then we can write here dv by dx is equal to dv by dx is equal to v into in bracket sin x upon x plus cos x into log x. Now put value of v here, value of v is x raised to sin x. Therefore, dv upon dx equal to x raised to sin x into in bracket sin x upon x plus cos x into log x. So say this as equation number second. Now we know that parametric rule is du upon dv is equal to du upon dx upon dv upon dx. Say this as equation number third. Okay. Now put values of du by dx and dv by dx from equation first and second in equation third. Therefore we can write here from equations first, second and third, du by dv is equal to value of du by dx, here x raised to x into in bracket 1 plus log x, x raised to x into in bracket 1 plus log x upon value of dv by dx, x raised to sin x into in bracket sin x upon x plus log x into cos x. Okay, this is the value of du by dv, that is derivative of function u with respect to v. Okay, now we will stop here. Okay, thank you.